Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, thank you. Yes, yeah, Windows instance. Normally the Windows instance which need now it's okay. Please use chat window. Now it's audible.
Yes.
The voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Absolutely clear.
Yeah. So for creation of Windows instance, which will need 30 GB, the storage is 30 GB. So you are providing 30 GB storage here. Then add a tag. It's for searching. If needed, you can add it. So here there is a difference. There you are choosing SSH. For Linux operating system, SSH for connecting PuTTY. But Windows operating system, which connected via remote desktop, RDB, remote desktop. So that is RDB. So you can choose RDB here. So remote desktop. Then Windows operating system is ready. Keeper, I'm choosing a same keeper. Launching instance, the instance is ready. Now the Windows instance is ready for you. Ubuntu instance below that. So multiple operating system which running on that same environment, AWS, EC2, Elastic Cloud 2. So choose that operating system that is in the blue mark and then click on the action button, type connect. Choose the operating system and then choose on action button and then click connect. Then which will get password. Yes, click on that get password, which will download the file, that is remote desktop file. For get password, which will ask for PEM file. Already you are downloading k7aws.pem file. You can open that file and generate the password. The password is generated. So Windows password is generated. After generating the password, you can open the remote desktop file, connecting. It will ask for password. With the help of your PEM file, there is a password which generated. You can type the password here. Okay. Now, yes, you can ask permission, certificate permission, SSL permission. Yeah, now your Windows is booted. Your Windows operating system which loaded on the AWS environment. AWS Windows operating system. You are creating 100 Windows operating system and then you can provide it as a service. AWS Windows operating system. View here. Host name, instance ID, IP address, public IP address. So if you are creating an instance, if needed, you are accessing this operating system in your home. Then if needed, you are accessing the same operating system in your office. If needed, on your travel. Think about the situation. Yeah, anytime you can access your operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac, everything. Just log into a log into a AWS environment and access the operating system. So it provides excellent service. So the first service, which will be called as Elastic Cloud 2. So the first service, which will be called as Elastic Cloud 2. Then the Elastic Cloud 2, which provide operating system as a service. The second service, which will be called as storage as a service. Amazon, which provides several set of storage services, the S3, Glacier, EBS, etc., etc. Anyway, I'm choosing S3, storage as a service. So similar way, click on services and then type S3, storage as a service. So here, all of them are more familiar about a term which will be called as folder, that is directory. Same way in AWS S3, AWS storage as a service, the folder that is S3, which will be here, which will be called as bucket. Here, which will be termed as bucket. So bucket in the sense, it's a root folder. So I'm creating a bucket. So it will ask for bucket name. I'm giving the bucket name as K7AWS. Then public access, so everyone can access, which acknowledge, create a bucket. Now my root folder is created in S3, successfully created. Just service S3, then open and create a bucket. Then my bucket is ready. You can upload any files, any folder, any zip file, anything here. I'm uploading a file, just drag and drop. I'm uploading a file, top.jpg, my book proposal top. My book proposal page, I am opening that JPG file. So the file was uploaded. Grant permission, I'm giving a permission. Grant public read. The file was read to everyone. Public can read that file. So grant permission. Standard option. Then upload. Yes, upload which will be started. Upload which will be started here. 12% uploaded, 12% successfully uploaded. File was uploaded, 100%. Top. Just click on that file, which will give the file owner name, date of creation, tag. In the bottom, which will display file URL. The file which will be publicly available with the public URL. You can use it anywhere. You can copy the file name and give it to your friend. Your friend can download your photo. Copy the file and paste it in your website. The website can view the image file. Copy the file, copy the link, and then paste it in your website. The website which display the proposal form. So everything. So the image file which will be displayed anywhere, everywhere. So just a public link, k7aws.s3, the S3 storage, which provide anything and everything as a service in a fraction of a second, without loss, without hack your file. The file which will be securely stored, which will be replicated into multiple places and provide a service. So the first service, which will be called as EC2, Elastic Cloud 2, which provide compute as a service. The second one, yeah, Hemalata madam. Sure, madam. I will share the recorded video as well as I will share the complete material, PPT as well as notes. Hemalata madam. Hemalata madam asking for please share the recorded video to this Gmail ID. Madam, everything which will be shared.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, we are from India. Good morning, sir. Actually, we are from India and we have came to know this webinar late. That's why almost we have joined late this webinar.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure. I will understand. I will share everything.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes. It's very impressive, right? Useful, fruitful.
Yeah. Then, so S3. So is Elastic Cloud 2, which will be displays the compute as a service. Now S3, which will provide storage as a service. One second, please. So fine. So the WhatsApp group number, WhatsApp group ID, which will be shared in chat window. Participants are requested to join the WhatsApp group. Then everything, materials, everything which will be shared via that group. So the WhatsApp group link, which will be shared in chat box, just click that box and then join the WhatsApp group. Everything which will be shared via WhatsApp group. Okay, fine. So first one, Elastic Cloud 2. The second thing, which will be called as S3. The second service, which will be called as storage as a service. Yeah, the question from Esra sir. Major difference between Azure and AWS and Google Cloud. Yes, sure, sir. At last I will clarify. Anyway, I will clarify now also. So there are several set of service provider. Google, then AWS, then Rackspace, Salesforce, several set of service provider. They are providing service for that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, then software as a service. But which one is best? I'm asking a very small question. Apple and Orange. Which one is tastier? So Apple is tastier.
Apple.
Orange
Yeah.
is tastier. So
Apple.
Apple and Orange. Which one is tastier? Apple or Orange? So everyone says, one of them says Apple, another one says Orange, etc., etc. So you can taste it. So similar way, I am using AWS, so I say AWS is best. But based on your interest, the software is best. But everyone provide excellent service. You can taste the service. You can taste both Apple and Orange. Now one of them say Orange is tastier. So based on your interest, similar way, AWS, Azure, as well as Rackspace, everyone provide excellent service. The service was fine. Security was nice. Then anyway, based on your interest, you can use the service provider. Yes, S3 service. The next one. Yeah, the deployment model, Elastic Beanstalk. It provides web application, that is Tomcat as a service. Sorry, before that, there is a EFS, Elastic File System. So first one, which will be called as EC2 for operating system as a service. Second one, S3, that is storage as a service. Then the third one, which will be called as EFS, Elastic File System, that is mounting a file system. So just search EFS, then create a file system. Then network configuration is fine. Then okay. Then add a tag. Okay. Okay. Then fine. Then just create file system, and none of the option is essential. Just next. It will create a file system. So a file system, in the sense, it's a hard drive. For example, if you are creating a folder in your server, and the folder is common for all the 100 systems. So all your 100 users are use it as shared drive and then paste in your file, data, everything. So it's called as network access. Similar way, here I am creating a file system. Then for mounting a file system, which will provide a link, that is sudo yum install nfs network file system, and which give a mount link. Automatically which display a mount link. Just copy and paste the link in your command prompt, the drive, the EFS drive. The EFS drive, you are creating a EFS drive, just copy paste this link in your terminal or command prompt, which will be mounted on your system. So in AWS, you can create a EFS Elastic File System, then you can create a file system and then just mount it in your any operating system. It will be mounted directly. So you can use it as shared drive. All your company employees are access it as a shared drive. So first one, EC2 for compute as a service, Linux operating system as a service, then Windows operating system as a service. Then second one, that is storage S3, storage as a service. Then third one, EFS, Elastic File System, which provide file system as a service. So sorry for the interruption. My Zoom ID is less than a minute, so it will be disconnected in 60 seconds. After that, the same ID, same password, you will connect again. So because of demo version, my Zoom ID, which will be disconnected in 60 seconds. After that, the same ID, same password, you will connect again.
Sure, sir. We will do.
Okay, thank you. Then the first service, which will be called as EC2, second one, storage as a service, that is S3. Then third one, which will be called as EFS, that is Elastic File System. The fourth one, which will be called as EBS, Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk. Similar way, you are choosing services and then type Elastic Beanstalk, then choose an option, then which will create an environment. Here, which will create an environment for Elastic Beanstalk. I am creating